Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Now let's take the door off. This happens to be a newer model, so the door comes off thusly. Some of the older models hinged to the side, and they had little locking pins on them. This one, again, a newer model, clips on the top. So we'll set this off to the side. Now we're going to slide out the filter frame. After removing the filter frame assembly from your Aprilaire 5000 air cleaner, remove the control electrode and set it on the side. Okay, you'll notice that right here there are two little tabs, and there's also two over here. What we're going to want to do here is take and press the black filter frame box away from the ionizer frame assembly so that we can release these tabs. There we are. So those two are released, and we're just going to pull it a little bit. There we are. Now if we've all four released, we'll turn the ionizer frame assembly upside down. There we go. All right, now here's where the ionizing wire should be, the one that's missing. All the rest are in place. So we're going to get out our new ionizing wire over here. And on each end has a little eyelet. So what we do here is insert the eyelet in and turn it 90 degrees so it locks into place. Now we're going to take and weave this wire under each of the crossbars. There we are, until we get to the other side. All right, now, all we have to do now is hook it on this tab. So we're going to grab the tab, pull it towards the ionizing wire just a little bit, hook the eyelet onto the little hook, release it, and that wire's in place. Okay, so now we have all the wires into place. Let's turn this back upside down and reinstall it on the filter frame. There we go. All right. Let's install the control electrode. All right, we have to push down on this tab here to release the pressure. There we are. All right. Everything's back into position. Now all we have to do is reinstall this assembly inside of our air cleaner cabinet. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.